Mockingbird Hill, a Mockingbird Hill, the place where I left home. I'll think of you and love you still, that place called Mockingbird Hill. Mockingbird Hill, Mockingbird Hill, the place where I was born. Mockingbird Hill, Mockingbird Hill, one day I will return.
I was raised up in the holler, the other side of Mockingbird Hill, and I know life's forever changing. Guess I always will. Mockingbird Hill, Mockingbird Hill, the place where I left home. I think of you and I love you still, that place called Mockingbird Hill. Feels like I've been running for days, ducking and dodging that circle road, and I miss the sweet sunshine that sits on Mockingbird Hill. Mockingbird Hill, Mockingbird Hill, the place where I left home. I think of you and I love you still, that place called Mockingbird Hill. Some men are laid down in the ground, forgotten before they're even cold. My pa, he left him a big old parcel on that place called Mockingbird Hill. Mockingbird Hill, now Mockingbird Hill, the place where I left home. I think of you and I love you still, that place called Mockingbird Hill. Mockingbird Hill, now man, Mockingbird Hill, that place where I was born. Mockingbird Hill, now Mockingbird Hill, one day I will return. One day I will return.